Okay. Now, right. Limit extends to a f of x equal to. We need to calculate limit extends to a f of x. First, we need to find f of a. That is, put x equal to a. Now we'll get into the form of, there are three possibilities you may get. What are the three possibilities means? Now the first possibility is f of a may be finite value. May be a finite value. If we get finite value, this is our answer. Say for example, limit extends to a, limit extends to 1, x plus 1 by x, it is 2 by 1, it is a finite value, this is our answer. Limit extends to 2, f of x, that is x minus 1 by x plus 2, that equal to 1 by 3. Right, this is also finite value, we can leave the answer like this. And there maybe you have another form, that is f of a, you may get some number by 0 where k is not equal to 0. F of a equal to k by 0 where k is not equal to 0. And if you get plus infinity when provided greater than 0, minus infinity provided k less than 0. So this is also our answer for this. And limit extends to a, limit extends to a or extends to 0, x plus 1 by x, that equal to 1 by 0, it is positive infinity, that's your answer. Second one is limit extends to 0, x minus 1 by x, you may get minus 1 by 0, it is minus infinity. So this is also our answer. Now we get third form, which is indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. So indeterminate forms means limit, you may get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0. Like this, we'll get the different forms. All these forms are called indeterminate forms. Whenever we get indeterminate forms, and we need to go for further simplification. So what we have to do? Further simplification. The further simplification may be factorization. You can do the factors. And the second one is, it may be a division, whichever is convenient to you. Third one, rationalization. And fourth one, standard limits. And fifth one, you may find L'Hopital rule. So this also we say that L'Hopital rule. Sixth one, we have Cauchy's rule. So these are the methods we are going to get. So whenever we get indeterminate forms, we have 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, right? Infinity power 0. At that time, so that depends on the situation. We can do the factorization, or we can do the division, or we can do the rationalization, or we can get the standard limits, or you can get the L'Hopital rule, or we can use as the Cauchy's rule. So one by one, I'll explain. Any limit problem comes, first your target is to apply this one, limit x tends to a, f of x. First we need to put x equal to a, find f of a value. So f of a, you may find there should be some finite value, or there may be a plus or minus infinity, or there may be a form of indeterminate forms. If we get finite value, that is final answer. And if you get plus infinity or minus infinity, that is also will consider as a answer. We can stop. Or if we go for the indeterminate form, then we need to further apply for this any one of the rules to get the our answer. So all indeterminate forms, we are going to get finite value. Just let me check what are the things we'll get. So first, I'm taking one example. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 5x plus 6 by x minus 2. By x minus 2. We are getting a 0 by 0 form. Substitute x equal to 4 minus 20 plus 4 minus 10 plus 6. So 0 by 0, we are getting as indeterminate form. When you get indeterminate form, your rule to apply is x tends to 2, x square, that you need to do the factors x minus 2 into x minus 3 by x minus 2. Right. So x minus 2 will get cancelled. X minus 2 will get cancelled. Then x minus 3 is left. So after every simplification, we need to substitute and proceed further, right? So after every simplification, we need to substitute and check whether we are getting finite or not. So 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. So this is the final answer. So in the beginning, we got the 0 by 0 form, but finally we got it as minus 1. So whenever we get the 0 by 0 form, then we have to proceed further and factorization, any simplification, whichever is convenient, whichever is possible to work out the problem, depends on the situation. Every problem may not be the same. Limit x tends to 0, root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Now here also we got it 0 by 0 form. Check it, 0 by 0 form we got it. So when we get the 0 by 0 form, then again, so I cannot do factors here. So I have option to rationalize. Then the rationalize, multiply and divide with the conjugate of the numerator. The conjugate of the numerator is minus 1 into root of 1 plus x plus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now, so numerator we can simplify further. We get it as form is that equal to 1 plus x minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Right. So limit x tends to 0. Then 1 will get cancelled. X also will get cancelled. So your answer is 1 by 1 plus 0 by this 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. We got it. Right. So this is the finite answer. We got it. Where we got the 0 by 0. Then we got it finally finite number. Now I'll take the one more problem. So third one, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, and 1 minus cos x by x square. Right? Here I got the 0 by 0 form. But here I cannot do the factors. I cannot do the rationalization, or you can, if you want, you can go for the rationalize also. So that is limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos x multiply and divide with 1 plus cos x by x square into 1 plus cos x, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus cos square x, you will get that. I will write sin square x by x square into 1 by 1 plus cos x. So you know the formula sin x by x, limit extends to 0, sin px by x. So sin px by x is what? P, standard limits. So I can write this value is 1 and this value is 1 by 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. See, so that depends on the problem. We are keep changing the concept, right? Factorization, rationalization, standard limits, right? So I'll give you some standard limits formula. Is it clear this concept, all of you? How to approach for this one? Now I am going for to apply standard limits. Now I am going for the standard limits concept. So standard limits. The formula is the first one is here x is considered as a radian or real number. What is the notation for x? Radian or the real number. So limit extends to 0. Sin px by x is p. Limit extends to 0. Sin inverse of px by x is p. Limit extends to 0. Sin px by sin qx equal to p by q. Limit extends to 0. Sin px by tan qx equal to p by q. Limit extends to 0. Sin x degree, if I ask the question, sin x degree by x, what is your answer? Can you guess any one of you people? Limit extends to 0, sin x degree by x. Anybody else? Anybody else? Sneha, 1. Anybody else? Sneha is given as 1. Anonymous, 1. Anybody else? Spandana. Vidya, 1. Aditya, 1 is given. Right. So everyone has given pi by 180. Yes, del is given correct. So pi by 180 is the right option. Since y it is means Sri has given Sri Satya is given as 1. Pavitra has given -1. So here it is limit extends to 0. Sin x degree can be written as pi x by 180 because what we said is, x degree, because here x should be given as what? Radian, not for degree. Now here x degree is there, here radian is there, here radian is there. So this degree we should convert to the radian. Now sin px by x, it is p, pi by 180. Right? So Del has given the right answer. So take care of these problems, are very important. Okay, next limit. Next, limit extends to 0. Tan px by x is p. Limit extends to 0. Tan inverse of px by x is p. Limit extends to 0. Tan px by tan qx equal to p by q. Sorry. limit extends to 0, tan px by sin qx equal to p by q. Limit extends to 0, tan x degree by x is same answer pi by 180, right? So I can take limit extends to 0, tan pi x by 180 by x. So this answer is pi by 180. Next. Now limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos px by x square is p square by 2, p square by 2. So very important formula. Now if we see the previous question, now here x coefficient is 1, right? Your answer is 1 square by 2, that equal to 1 by 2. What we got 1 by 2, what we got 1 by 2 straight away same, right? Sometimes we require to apply the standard limits. Sometimes we need to go for the further simplification, right? So limit extends to 0, a power px minus 1 by x equal to p log a base e. Suppose the question is asked like this, limit extends to 0, 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 by x equal to 3 into log 2 base e. Next, limit extends to 0, limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by e power px minus 1 by x, it represents as p, right? Now, limit extends to a, x power m minus a power m by x power m minus a power m is equal to m by n, a power m minus n, like this, right? So limit extends to a, limit extends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. Same formula only I applied, right? Next. Now this is about the standard limits concept. Now I am going for L'Hopital rule, right? So that L'Hopital rule, also we say that L'Hospital rule. Yeah, Aditya, let me know more. Aditya is raised hand. You can drop the message. Right. So L'Hospital rule. In the L'Hospital rule, yeah, famous sir, can you show once? I have not written the last part. Okay. So anyhow, I'll send the notes to you. I'll show you once, no problem. Right. Hema, once you complete, let me know. Completed? Drop the message or raise the hand. Yeah, completed? Yes, yes, right. Now, L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule is only used for only two cases of indeterminate forms, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Only for this cases only we have to apply the L'Hopital rule. Also, if you get directly 0 by 0, you can apply the L'Hopital rule. And there may be, you may get 0 into infinity. At this stage, you cannot apply the L'Hopital rule. So when we can apply the L'Hopital rule means this 0 into infinity, I have to bring it 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. At that time, you can apply the L'Hopital rule. So I will write as here 0 into infinity can be written as 1 by 0 for the simplification. So 0 by 0, right? So I'll take one example. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 1. This is the previous CET question. Also JEE Mains they asked this question. X minus 1 into tan pi x by 2. Now I got 0 into tan 90 is not defined. I cannot apply L'Hospital rule here. Right? So what I can do is the same question, I'll simplify further. Whenever we get indeterminate forms, we need to simplify or factorization, division or standard limits or L'Hopital rule. Like that. So I can convert this one x minus 1 by cot pi x by 2. Cot pi x by 2. Now you check it 0 by 0 I am getting. 1 minus 1 0, cot 90 is 0. Okay. So at this stage I can apply the L'Hopital rule. Here I cannot apply the L'Hopital rule. Okay. Now same way 0 into infinity can also be written as 1 by 0, whichever is convenient for us. Infinity. So infinity by infinity. So the same question I can also write limit extends to 1 tan pi x by 2 whole divided by 1 by x minus 1, whichever is convenient to you. Infinity by infinity. I can apply the L'Hopital rule now. Is it clear? So either way you can get the answer. No? But what my advice is, whichever is easy to convert, easy to differentiate, that way you try. So this is easy. And this is, you are making little bit complicated, but when bringing into the one form to apply the L'Hopital rule. Next. Now the fourth one is infinity minus infinity. I cannot apply at this stage. So I can apply the formula like this. 1 by 0 minus 1 by 0. So 0 by 0 form, you will get it. Okay. So this way we can write it as the form convenient to apply the rule. Convenient to apply the rule, L'Hopital rule. Now you understood. So there are 4 different forms where we can apply the L'Hopital rule. If you get directly 0 by 0, you can apply. If you get infinity by infinity, we can apply directly. 0 into infinity, we cannot apply here at this stage. We have to bring it to this form, then you can apply the L'Hopital rule. At 0 into infinity, at this stage, we cannot apply the L'Hopital rule, but I can bring it to this form, then I can apply the L'Hopital rule. So infinity minus infinity, at this stage, I cannot apply the L'Hopital rule, but finally I can bring it to the form of 0 by 0. So at this case, I can apply the L'Hopital rule. Okay, next. Now, what is the working rule? Working rule to apply L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule. So the first one means like, first point, limit extends to a, f of x by g of x. If we get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then apply L'Hopital rule, that is differentiate the numerator, differentiate the denominator. Differentiate the numerator, differentiate the denominator. So if we get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, again I have to apply the L'Hopital rule. Limit extends to a, f double dash of x by, only we have to apply the function, not the limit form. Right? So if we get again 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, till where we need to repeat this one. So repeat L'Hopital rule till we get finite value, till we get finite value. Right? So I'll take one example here. That is the first one. Limit extends to 2. Already I did this question. X square minus 5x plus 6 by x minus 2. I am getting the 0 by 0. I can apply the L'Hopital rule. So x square derivative is 2x. 5x derivative is 5 by 1. Right? So x tends to 2. X tends to 2. That is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 5. It is minus 1. So what I got in the beginning also, I got the same answer, minus 1. In the factorization method also we got the minus 1. In this method also we got the minus 1. Next, second one, limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square. Right? So here also I am getting the 0 by 0 form. Then I can apply the L'Hospital rule. Differentiate the cos x derivative. It is minus sin x, minus of minus it's become plus. X square derivative become 2x. So limit extends to 0. Sin x by x is 1. So 2 is left. It is 1 by 2. So there also I got the same answer. Here also I got the same answer. Right? So now I'll go for this question now. Limit extends to 2. Limit extends to 1, x minus 1 by cot pi x by 2, 0 by 0 form. So here I'll apply the L'Hospital rule, that equal to derivative of x minus 1 is 1. Cot derivative is minus cosecant square pi x by 2. Derivative of pi x by 2, it is pi by 2. Pi by 2. So put x equal to 1. Then I am getting minus 1 by cosecant square pi by 2 into 2 by pi. So pi by 2 we can write as 2 by pi. Cosecant 90 is 1. So minus 2 by pi we get the answer. See how simple we are making. You know what to do, what not to do. Right? Now next. Now I'll repeat once again. Whenever a problem is given limit extends to a f of x, first find f of a, that is put x equal to a, then you will get one of these forms definitely out of these three forms. First one is if you get directly finite value, that is our answer. If we get plus infinity or minus infinity, that is also our answer. If we get indeterminate forms, then what are the indeterminate forms? You may get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity. Don't say 1 power anything is 1, right? So 1 power 1 is different. Here 1 power infinity means 1 power 1 by 0. It's not like a 1 power any positive integer or natural number or rational number or p by q form. Any form let it be. 1 power not defined is indeterminate form, we say infinity power 0. Right? Next. Now comes to the next concept is limit extends to infinity. So to find limit extends to infinity, f of x concept, right? So f of x concept, to find this one, there is a procedure. First one, put x equal to 1 by y, put x equal to 1 by y, right? Then the second point is put x equal to infinity, that is 1 by 0. Then 1 by 0 equal to 1 by y. Therefore, y equal to 0. Therefore, I can say x is tends to infinity, then y is tends to 0. Then y is tends to 0. Whenever you take x equal to 1 by y, then y is tends to 0. Next. So third point, then as usual, you will get the limit. Therefore, limit x tends to infinity. I can write limit y tends to 0, f of 1 by y, right? So I'll take one example here. The first one is limit x tends to infinity, x square 3x square plus 1 by 2x square plus 1. 2x square plus 1. Now put x equal to 1 by y, then y is tends to 0, then 3 by y square plus 1 by 2 by y square plus 1, right? So limit y tends to 0, then 3 plus y square by 2 the LCM, 2 plus y square, put y equal to 0, we are getting 3 by 2. Now the second one, limit x tends to infinity, x minus 1 by x square plus 1 equal to limit y tends to 0, 1 by y minus 1 by 1 by y square plus 1 equal to limit y tends to 0, 1 minus y by 1 plus y square, 1 y will get cancelled. I'll write y here. So 0 by 1, I'll get 0. Next, third one, limit y x tends to infinity, x square plus 1 by x minus 1, that equal to limit y tends to 0, that is 1 by y square plus 1 by 1 by y minus 1 equal to limit y tends to 0, 1 plus y square by 1 minus y into y equal to 1 by 0, you'll get infinity. So like that, we can do the problems. Here I want to tell you one important point, shortcut I'm going to tell you, right? The shortcut is limit x tends to infinity, a1 x power m, a2 x power m minus 1 plus so on, am whole divided by b1 x power n, b2 x power n minus 1 plus so on bn equal to a1 by b1. So sorry, this is the question they asked you. Then the first one is, if degree of numerator and degree of denominator both are equal, then your answer will be am by a1 by b1, right? That means coefficient of x power m by coefficient of x power n, I can write a1 by b1. Now we can write it as 3x square plus 1 by 2x square plus 1. So x square coefficient and x square coefficient both are equal. So I can write the answer is what? 3 by 2. So the numerator degree and denominator degree is same. The coefficient of x square in the denominator, coefficient of x square in the numerator, whatever it is there, 3 by 2. I have written 3 by 2 straight away. Is clear? Next, the second one is if numerator degree is smaller than n, then your answer will be straight away 0. So here the numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 2. Then, so numerator degree is smaller than the denominator. So you are going to get final answer is what? 0. Next, if numerator degree is greater than the denominator degree, then your answer will be not defined. So I can write here the numerator degree is 2, Denominator degree is 1. So therefore, numerator degree is greater than the denominator degree. So your answer is infinity. Right? So is it clear this concept? Now I'll take few more questions in the series type. In the series type means like, limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is a very familiar problem and frequently asked in our CET examination, plus n by n square equal to what? So what to do for this question? Can you guess what is your answer from your end? Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n by n square. Right? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Kavya, 0, no, no. It is not the polynomial function, because it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 as given. It's a series. It's not the polynomial. Polynomial means what you said is correct, but it's not the polynomial. Infinite. Pavitra has given infinite. Pradham has given 0. Anonymous is given 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the correct answer. And anonymous, two answers we have given, 1 by 2 and 1. Sum of n terms, del. Yes. Sum of n terms we have to give, and the Sri also given the correct answer, Sri Satya. Yes, 1 by 2 is the right answer. No? So I can write this one. Limit n tends to infinity. Sum of this one is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the series we need to apply. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, n square plus n by 2n square. So the degree of the numerator, degree of the denominator, both are equal. Then I can write its coefficients. Coefficient of n square is 1. So your answer is 1 by 2. Is clear now? Is it clear, all of you? Sri has given correct answer. Del has given sum of n terms, right? Pradham, right. Next, this is one question. And the second question is limit n tends to infinity, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square by n cube. What is your answer here? What is your answer? What is your answer? Now here also you apply the series, that is limit n tends to infinity is, I can write n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 n cube. Now multiply this one, limit n tends to infinity, n into n square plus n into 2n plus 1 by 6n cube. Again, you can multiply, limit n tends to infinity, 3n cube plus n square plus 2n square plus n by 6n cube. So highest degree is how much we have? 3. Denominator, so highest degree is 3. Denominator also highest degree is 3. Then both are equal. So its coefficient I can take 3 by 6. It is 1 by 2. Correct now? So anything else here? 3 by 6. We got it as 1 by 2. Check it once again. So 1 square plus 2 square here. 6n cube. Right? Next. Here I went wrong. 2n square, n cube. Correct? So I have to write here 2. Okay. Now here it is 2n cube. 2 by 6. It is 1 by 3. Correct? Now, yes. how 6 came. That is a formula here. 6n cube is the formula. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is the formula of that. Okay, da? Anonymous. Right. Next one. Third question. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, so on, n cube by n power 4. Right? To do this such type of question, limit n tends to infinity. Again, I need to apply the formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 by n power 4. That equal to limit n tends to infinity. n square plus 2n plus 1 by 4n power 4. So limit n tends to infinity. N square, you multiply this one, n power 4 to n cube plus n square by 4n power 4, that equal to 1 by 4. Right? Again, degree of the numerator, degree of the denominator, both are equal. Then its coefficient, we can take it as 1 by 4. One coefficient here 4, 1 by 4. Right, children? Now, what I will do is I will apply again one more shortcut. Yes, Vinod Kumar has given 1 by 4. Aditya has given 1 by 4. It's good. Right. Now, what we can do is one more shortcut I am going to apply here. So there is a one shortcut based on the n tends to infinity. One more shortcut is there. So the last term degree is 1 and the denominator degree is 2. So if the difference is 1 only, we can apply our rule. So what is the rule? Our rule says last term degree, denominator degree, both have the difference is 1. That difference 1 you write it. Only when it is 1 only we have to apply this rule. 1 in the numerator. What is the degree of the denominator? 2. What about the coefficient here? 1. So 1 into 1 by 2. That is your answer. 1 by 2 we got it. Correct? Is it clear all of you? What we need to do is last term degree 1 and denominator degree is 2. The difference between them is 1. If it is 1, then only we can apply our rule. So 1 in the numerator. Then comes to the denominator degree. What is there? 2 is there. That 2 we have to write and n square coefficient is 1. Next, here we have the degree is what? 2 is there, degree. Degree is 2 is there, degree here 3 is there. What is the difference between them we have? Here it is 1. Your final answer is what? So difference is 1. Denominator degree is 3. Its coefficient is 1. So your answer is 1 by 3. Check it. 1 by 3. Right? Is clear all of you? Then next comes to the last problem of this one. Here n cube is there, n power 4 is there. Degree is 3 and the degree is 4. Here it is there. Difference is 1. Denominator degree is 4. The coefficient of n power 4 is 1. So your answer is 1 by 4. By seeing itself, you can tell the answers. Is clear all of you? Is clear? Right? But next question, it won't work. Why? I worked out the problem, no? Anonymous, you can check it. Correct, na? 2 and 3 difference is what? 1. 1 by 3. Is clear? Anonymous? Yes, right. So whatever I am telling the shortcuts, it's not like a problem to problem. Whatever model comes in that, you can apply it. Okay. Next, the last rule is Cauchy's rule. Cauchy's rule is also name of the person who introduced the method is for to find the 1 power infinity, 1 power 1 by 0. Okay. So the question is limit x tends to a, f of x to the power of g of x is equal to limit x tends to a, f of x to the power of g of x, then equal to limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. G of x into f of x minus 1. G of x into f of x minus 1. Right? Now, when we have the formula like this Cauchy's rule, limit extends to a f of x to the power of g of x equal to e power limit extends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. Now, when it comes to this one, no, the first one, limit extends to 0, 1 plus sin x whole power 1 by x, whole power 1 by x. Now we are getting put x equal 0, 1 power 1 by 0, we are getting as 1 power infinity. I can apply the Cauchy's rule. So that is e power limit extends to 0, limit extends to 0, g of x into f of x minus 1. G of x is what? 1 by x. 1 plus sin x minus 1. So 1 will get cancelled. Then sin x by x is left. So sin x by x is what? It is 1, e power 1. Sin x by x when x is tends to 0. Right? Now the second question is limit x tends to 0. 1 plus x, 1 plus x, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is also coming 1 power infinity. Always we have to substitute and check 1 plus x whole power 1 by x. It is coming into this one, limit x tends to 0. 1 by x into 1 plus x minus 1. 1 will get cancelled. X by x, it is 1. So e power 1. Is clear? Now, I am going for the again from the beginning. Right? So now I'll come to the what we have learned so far. We'll do the problems now. Limit extends to a f of x. Find f of a, that is put x equal to a. If we get finite value, that is our answer. If we get plus or minus infinity, that is also our answer. Right? So x plus 1 by x, 1 by 0, we got it as infinity. Here we got minus infinity. Suppose if we get indeterminate forms, we have to go for further simplification. Further simplification, that is factors, division, rationalization, standard limits, L'Hospital rule, Cauchy's rule. We know the factors, we know the division, we know the rationalization, we know the standard limits, right? L'Hospital rule also. Now L'Hopital rule we have learned 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Cauchy's rule also we got it. Next, I want to give you one more shortcut for this one for any type of problems is 0 per 0 always gives 1 and infinity per 0 always gives as a 1. Right? Without doing, straight away you can write 0 per 0 is 1, infinity per 0 is 1. This is a shortcut we have given. Right? Now, shall we do the problems? Is it clear, all of you people, how to do, what to do, right? How to approach the limits problem, right? Can you drop the message? It's clear, all of you people. Shall we start the problems? Yes, Sneha said yes. Anonymous said yes. Right, children, shall we do now? Right, Sneha also said. Likita God has said. Sneha, yes. Yes, yes. Right. Nagapriya also says. Sushmita also said. Aditya also said. Rakshita didn't come today. Right. Soumya also didn't give any. Soumya is absent today. Okay, right. Mohan said yes. Bhavana said yes. Right. We'll do the problems right now. DP rise. Okay. Now, Kirtana S, Nagapriya, Sri Satya S, S. Right. Now we'll go for the problems. Now the first question is now you know what to do, what not to do. the value of limit extends to infinity. X square plus bx plus 4 by x square plus ax plus 5 is what? What is your answer, children? Numerator degree and denominator degree both are equal. Correct now? What is the x square coefficient we have? 1. Denominator x square coefficient is what? 1. So what is your answer? I am getting more answers. More answers I am getting 1, 1, 1. C is option. Bhumika, Vinod Kumar, Sri, Sanjana, Sneha, everyone has given same answer. 1. 1 is correct. Good. Next. Now, second question. Limit extends to 0, root of a plus x minus root of a minus x by 4x. Now we are getting a 0 by 0 form, right? So apply the 0 by 0 form means what? L-hospital rule. Everyone has given this answer. Likita, Aditya, Anonymous, Yogesh, Ashwant, Kirtana, Bhumika. Most of the people has given right answer. Everyone has given same answer, right? Good. So limit extends to 0. Limit problem is given 0 by 0. What we need to go? Now I can apply L-hospital rule or rationalize also. You can do any one of the methods. But L-hospital rule is easy to do, right? So what is the derivative of root function? 1 by 2 root a plus x. X derivative is 1. And here 2 root a minus x. Minus x derivative is minus 1. I wrote 1. Denominator 4x derivative is 4. So x is tending 0. Then put x equal to 0. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 by 4. That equal to 1 by, that is 2a, 2 root a, 2 root a. Correct? So 2 root a, 2 root a. So that equal to 1 by 4 root a. Right, children? So second option is the right option. 1 by 2 root a plus 1 by 2 root a. It is 1 by 4 root a. Right. So as given, most of them they have given a, b is given, b is correct. 1 by Nagapriya, 1 by 4 root a. Correct. B is correct. Bhumika, once you check it there. Bhumika, check it once again. Okay. Right. Yogesh, Mohan, everyone has given B option. What about 4 in the denominator? I have written 4 in the denominator. Anonymous. Right. Next. Fourth question I am doing. Yes. Limit extends to 0. 1 by x sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to. Now here 0 by sine inverse of 0, it is 0. 0 by 0 I can do. But further I will do the formula. Sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x by x. So tan inverse x by x is 1. 2 is left 2. So C is the right option. Right? So I think C. Yeah, Bhumika, right. Okay. So this third option is the right option. Next. So always whenever we get, if possible, you go for what? Simplification. Right? Now we'll go for the fifth question. Now listen, limit extends to 1, 2x square plus x minus 3 by 3x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2. You are getting the 0 by 0. Apply L-hospital rule. So L-hospital rule, we are applied, then 4x plus 1 by 9x square minus 6x plus 2 is, if I substitute 1, 5 by 9 minus 6 plus 2 equal to 5 by 5 equal to 1. So first option is the right option. Right? So I'm getting more answers now. Yes, repeat it again. Which one I should repeat more? Previous one more. Likita? Yes. Here it is sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Formula is 2 tan inverse x only, no? So 2 tan inverse of x by. So I applied the formula. I have simplified instead of doing differentiation directly. So I have applied 2 tan inverse x by x. Standard limits formula I applied. So it is 1. 2 into 1 is what, ma? 2. Is it clear, ma? Likita? Likita, is it clear? Yes. Yashwant, Bhumika, right. Okay, next. What about this formula? What about this one? Limit extends to 1. Limit extends to 1. X power m minus 1 by x power n minus 1 is equal to. Limit extends to 1. X power m minus 1 by x power n minus 1 is equal to. 0 by 0 we are getting. Correct? 0 by 0. So what we can do is, we can apply the L'Hopital rule, m into x power m minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. When x is tends to 1, you will get m by n. Right? So like this we can try questions. Right? Then, so 10th one. Limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity. X plus 2 by x plus 1 whole power x plus 3 is equal to. Now here we are getting as limit extends to infinity means what? Numerator degree, denominator degree equal to 1. So 1. Infinity plus 3 is infinity only. So 1 power infinity we are getting. So I can apply the Cauchy's rule. E power limit extends to infinity. G of x into, formula is what? G of x into f of x minus 1, x plus 2 by x plus 1 minus 1. So I can go for further simplification. E power limit extends to infinity. So x plus 3 into x plus 2 minus x, x will get cancelled. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 by x plus 1. Again extends to infinity. Numerator degree and denominator degree they are same. So that equal to 1 by 1. It is E. So the first, second option is the right option, right? Yes. So everyone has given. Mohan, check it once again. A. So first option is correct. Vidya, check it once again. So it is the first option. Will get it. Sorry, second option will get it. Anonymous, check it. It is E. Next. Now you can try for this question. You can try this question now. Again, it is coming as what? 3 by 3 is 1 and 1 power infinity. So apply Cauchy's rule. Limit extends to infinity. G of x into f of x minus 1, 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 2 minus 1. So that equal to e power limit extends to infinity. Then x plus 1 into xx will get cancelled, minus 6 by 3x plus 2, right? And denominator is 3 is there here. And further simplification, e power limit extends to infinity, minus 6x minus 6 by 9x plus 6. X coefficient, degree of x, degree of denominator, both are equal. Then your answer is minus 6 by 9. Minus 6 by 9, e power minus 6 by 9 is minus 2 by 3. So your option is the second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Mohan has given correct. Which one, Mo? SSR. Which one I should repeat the once again? Previous problem. Right. So it is the formula of, e power limit extends to infinity g of x into f of x minus 1. Right? G of x is this one. F of x is the inside the bracket. Right? G of x into f of x minus 1. I did the LCM. X will get cancelled. 2 minus 1, 1 is left. Numerator degree and denominator degree both are equal to 1. Therefore, e power 1 is e. Is it clear? SSR, is it clear? Yes, ma. 2 by 3, ma. Minus 2 by 3 you will get no ma. Hema. E power minus 2 by 3. Yes, minus 6 by 9 is what? Minus 2 by 3. That's why e power minus 2 by 20 won't come. Nagapriya. Right? Okay, good. Again, you have given minus 2 by 3. Correct. Next. So, then we can go for the next question. Yes. The value of limit extends to 0, 5 power x minus 5 power minus x by 2x. You are getting as what? 0 by 0. So, what is your answer? Okay, Mannagapriya, good. Right. The value of limit extends to 0, 5 power x minus 5 power minus x by 2x. What is your answer? Can I expect anyone from it? Yogesh. Check it, well. Right, 0 by 0. I can apply L'Hospital rule. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x derivative is what? A power x into log a base c, correct? So I am getting limit extends to 0. 5 power x into log 5 base c minus 1 plus 5 power minus x log 5 base c. 2x base is 2, 0 by 0 form, that equal to log 5 base c. 5 power 0 is what? 1. Right? So log 5 base e, that equal to 2 log 5 base e. So it is the second option, the fourth option is the right option. Yes, Aditya is given 4, Yogesh is given 4, Anonymous is given, Shushmita is given 4, Sri Satya, Ganesh. How the Ganesh 0 you got it? Check it once again. Anonymous, Nagapriya. Right. Okay. Right. Now, so all these problems you can try, and next I'll go for the 16th question. Right. So if f of 5 equals 7, f dash of 5 equal to 7, then the limit extends to 5, x into f of 5 minus 5 into f of x by x minus 5. Now I am getting here 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. So I can apply the L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to 5, limit extends to 5. Right. So here x derivative is 1 f of 5 minus 5 into f dash of x by 1. Now substitute f of 5 minus 5 into f dash of 5 by 1. F of 5 is how much? 7 minus 5 into 7 equal to 7 minus 35 minus 28. So D is the right option. D is the right option. Yes. Option D. Nagapriya, Bhumika, Shushmita. Everyone has given the right answer. Good. Right. Bhumika, Shushmita. Everyone has given the correct answer. Now, is it clear now the limits problems? Here I want to tell you an important point. So this one. The value of limit extends to 0 mod x by x more. So what is the right option, ma'am? What is the right option? Nagapriya minus D is. What is the last option, ma'am? What is the right option? This one. The value of limit extends to 0 mod x by x. So this one, no? Whenever we have the question, note. When x is tends to 0, mod x by x, x by mod x always does not exist. D is the right option. D is the right option. Mod x by x. So right limit value is right hand limit value is 1. You will get left hand limit value is given -1. You have done so many types of questions like this one. So both the values are they are not equal. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Right? So this is your answer. Right? None of this you will get. You can remember the shortcut. Then there may be one example I'll give you. Limit extends to 2. Mod of or limit extends to a. Right? Limit extends to a. Mod of x minus a by x minus a is also same. So does not exist. Does not exist. Right, children? So the same way we can do all the questions. For mod x, the limit does not exist. Yes. Option D, none of this. Yes. Shushmita, correct. Next one, I am going for the now continuity problems. All of you understood how to go for the limits problems. No? All types of questions have explained to you people. Right? Shall we do some previous year's questions? Shall we do? Previous year's questions, how they are asking in the questions, right? Yes. So this question already we have done. 2015 they asked this question. What is your answer? What is your answer, go? What is your answer, all of you? 1/2 now, 1/3 now. 3. It is 1/2. Right? And 0/0 we are getting. So sin x by 2x, it is 1/2. When is x tends to 0? Because sin x by x is 1. See how fast we are able to do. 67. 2016 they asked this question. One question is compulsory. Most of the students they lose the marks, but you should not miss the question here. So again 0/0 we are getting. Okay. Then we'll go for the 0/0 formula. Use the product rule. X into e power x plus e power x into 1 minus cos x by derivative of x is 1. X is tends to 0. That equal to 0 plus 1 minus 1 by 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So third option is the right option. Next. Comes to the 68. 2017 they asked this question. Right? 2017 they asked this question. And here 0/0 form. Then 4 sin 4 theta by 6 cos 4 theta, 6 theta, and we know the sin theta. This is sin 6 theta, derivative of this one. L'Hospital rule. Sin 6 theta extends to 0. 4/6. Again sin p theta by Sin q theta, that equal to 4 by 6, that equal to 4 by 9, right? So first option is the right option. Next, again, if you see this question, what is your option now? The value of limit x tends to 0 mod x by x does not exist. Already we have done this question. Does not exist. Right? Now comes to the 71. Right? Limit x tends to 0, tan x by root of 2x plus 4, 0 by 0 you are getting. Apply L'Hospital rule. So derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of this one is 2 root 2x plus 4. Then derivative of 2x plus 4 is 2. That equal to secant 0. You substitute. 2 will get cancelled. Then put x equal 0, 1 and 1 by again 1 by you will get as 4 that equal to 2. So first option is getting. Next, consider the following. Then the 75th you can check. Right? So what is your answer for 75? Can you guess? 0 by 0 form you are getting. 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hospital rule. Then you are getting as derivative of this one is 1 by 2 root 3 plus y cube into y cube derivative is 3y square minus 0 by 3 y square. So here y square will get cancelled. 3 will get cancelled. Put x equal to y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Then you will get as 1 by 2 root 3 your answer. 1 by 2 root 3. First option is the right option. Is it clear, children? All of you? Is clear, all of you? Yes. Is it clear, all of you? Bhumika, Mohan, and Sri, Likita, Anonymous, Vidya, Aditya, Bhumika, Nagapriya, Mrunalini, Sri Satya, Pradhana, right? Nagapriya, Sushmita. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. No. Yashwant. Right. Okay, now I'll go for the continuity problems now. If you are good at this, continuity problems are nothing for you. Just I'll give you concept. What is the concept means? Continuity. Because the limits is the first year topic. If you are able to evaluate how to evaluate the limit, so continuity problems are become easy, but the one we have in second PU is nothing in front of the CET problems. So very simple questions they have given the POC, but in the CET they will not ask like that. Okay, right? Continuity. So continuity is, there are two definitions. Limit extends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Definition 2, limit extends to a, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of a is equal to f of a. F of a. Kiran Kumar, yes, tell me. Kiran Kumar, tell me. Right. F of a. This is f of x. This is f of x. F of a. Right? So if f of x is continuous at x equal to a, then limit extends to a f of x equal to f of a, limit extends to a minus a equal to f of x, limit extends to a plus f of x equal to f of a. Note, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to finite is not equal to f of a, then it is called removal discontinuous function. Removal discontinuous function. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, and then it is called non-removal discontinuous function. Non-removal discontinuous. New terms you will get in the exam. So non-removal discontinuous function. Right? Now I'll go for the problems. So the first problem I'm going. Just like a limits problems only, extra thing is we have. Yes. Now this is the function. Limit the f of x equal to root of 1 plus px minus root of 1 minus px by x, 2x plus 1 by x minus 2. Here, so ending with the 0 and starting with the 0. So at this place we have discontinuous. At this place we have discontinuous. So what we can do is x tends to 0 minus and x tends to 0 plus 1. Right? And x equal to 0 comes where? Here x equal to 0. Right? So at x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to f of x equal to what? 2x plus 1 by x minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Right? So minus 1 by 2. I require to get the p value. So p value is limit x tends to 0 minus left hand limit I will take it. So left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. But here right limit and then both are equal. So I cannot go for, I'll go for the 0 minus 1. So I'll equate this two. That is limit x tends to 0 minus root of 1 plus px minus root of 1 minus px by x equal to minus of. Left side we are getting as what? If you substitute x equal to 0, 0 by 0 form I am getting. So Nagapriya, raise the hand. Let me check. Yes, option B, sir. So I will check it for that which is the right option one, Nagapriya. So we'll go for the L-Aspect rule. So I can go for L-Aspect rule to apply this one. So p by 2 root 1 plus px plus p by 2 root 1 minus px by 1 which is equal to minus of. So p by 2 plus p by 2 equal to minus of, that is p equal to minus of. Yes, no. You are right, Nagapriya. So is it clear this one? Same limit only, limit concept only, little extension is there. Left limit and right limit we need to calculate. Is clear all of you? This question? This question is clear all of you? Yes? Yes, no? Right. Now I'll go for the next question. Now, the function f of x equal to 1 plus x whole power cot x is not defined at x equal to 0. The value of f of 0 so that f of x become continuous at x equal to 0. Right? So I need to proceed for this one. F of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x cot x, 1 plus x cot x. So that equal to, I am getting 1 power not defined. 1 power not defined. I can apply the Cauchy's rule. Limit x tends to 0, cot x into g of x into f of x minus 1. So 1 will get cancelled. So e power limit x tends to 0, x by tan x, x by tan x. So here 1 will get cancelled. Therefore, your answer is e power 1. So third option is the right option. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Sri Satya. Right. Next, I'll go for the 7th question. Right. The function f of x given by f of x equal x minus 1, x less than 0. That means x tends to 0 minus x equal to 0. 1 by 4 x square minus 1 is x tends to 0 plus 4. This is we know. Now he is asking for what? A removal discontinuity, continuity, non-removal discontinuity, removal discontinuity at x equal to 1 is asking. Right? At x equal to 0 only we have to check. Because at 0 only it is getting separated. So left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 minus and x minus 1 function. So that is 0 minus 1, we are getting minus 1. Right hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x square minus 1. We are getting as 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So left hand limit equal to right hand limit, but not equal to f of 0. Because f of 0 is how much they gave? 1 by 4 they gave. So it is not equal to. Both are equal means what? Removal discontinuous function at x equal to 0. Very, very important model question. Next. Now, if you see the 8th question, what the 8th question says? Limit f of x equal to 3 sin pi x by 5x 2k is continuous at x equal to 0. Then the value of k is, right? So I can go for f of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0. What is the function? 3 sin pi x by 5x. So x is not equal to 0 means what? X tends to 0 only. The meaning is x tends to 0. When it is not equal to 0, it is approaching the 0 only. Now we know the formula sin px by x that equal to 3 by 5 into p is pi. Right? F of 0 is 2k. So k equal to 3 pi by 10. K equal to what? 3 pi by 10. So it is the first option is the right option. Is clear all of you? So we know the formula limit x tends to 0 sin px by x is p. Right, children? Right? Any doubts in this one? Option A, sir, previous answer, please. So previous one, Sneha has given A. What is the previous one? Yes. Right. You understood the 7th one? Anonymous, drop your message once you complete. Once you complete, drop your message for. Children, is it clear? Right. Sir, how to know if it is a removal? I gave the definition. No, removal means I gave the definition. Where I gave the definition here. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to finite, which is not equal to f of a. So removal discontinuous function. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then it is non-removal discontinuous function. Is it clear? Anonymous? Yes or no? Nagapriya? Yes. Good. Next, 13th question. Yes. Try from your end. Try from your end. F of x is continuous function. Then the value of f of 0 when f is continuous is. Right? So f of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0. Root of x plus 9 minus 3 by x. 0 by 0 I am getting. So I have to apply L'Hospital rule. Right, x tends to 0. What is the derivative of x plus 9? 1 by 2 root x plus 9. 3 derivative is 0. X derivative is 1. Then that equal to 1 by 6. Third option is the right option, right? Third option is the right option. Yes, C. Del is given correct answer. Right. Next. What is meant with the differentiable and non-differentiable? First, let me explain this differentiable and non-differentiable. Differentiable and non-differentiable. Non-differentiable. Right? Let me check for this one. Is left hand derivative equal to f dash of a minus equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Right hand derivative equal to f dash of a plus limit x tends to a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a by x minus a. Right? Next, note graph. It should be a finite. It should be a finite. That means should exist. So left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative equal to a finite. Then f of x is differentiable. Next, if left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative and this is finite and this is also finite, then f of x is not differentiable but continuous. Very, very important point. Right? So now I'll check for this one. Right? At x equal to 2, I need to go for at x equal to 2. So f of x at x equal to 2. So directly f dash of x equal to what? 1. And the second one is f dash of x equal to what? Minus 1. So this is minus 1. This is what? Plus 1 I am getting. Correct? So both are not equal. Left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. But it is a what? Finite. At finite. Right? So continuous but not differentiable at x equal to second option. No need to check for continuity. Right? No need to check the continuity. If you want to check the continuity also, you will get the same method. Same answers you will get. Continuous. Is it right? Option B. Correct. Nagapriya. Right? Now I'll go for the graph. And in the graph, so there is a graph I want to explain. Function is not differentiable at short point. Function is not differentiable at sharp point. Sharp point. Example, sharp point means what, ma? This is the sharp point. Right? Now, this is the sharp point. These are the sharp points. So those points are not differentiable. Right? So I'll go for the question here in the graph. Right? Can you guess what is your answer, ma? Anyone can give the answer here. Children, your time starts now. Which is the right option? See, the function represented by the following graphs. The function represented by following graphs is given the sharp point. Where it is given sharp point, check it at which place. I want the answers. Anybody else? Chemistry. C is given Ashwant, Sneha. C is given Ashwant, B is given, Sneha is given C, Harsha is given C, Bhagyasri is given. Bhagyasri, how are you, mom? What late, Bhagyasri? Pratik, correct. Anonymous C, Sunaina, correct. C, right. We'll check. So neither continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 1. Very good, very good. So very good answer from all of you people. And because this place is the sharp point at x equal to 1. Correct? So third option is given correct. Most of them they have given the third option only. So everyone has given the third option only, I think. Am I right? Yes. DP has given B. Check it, ma. Pratik. Fine, sir. Net problem. Okay. Good. Right? Anybody else now? DP, once you check it, ma, why you got the B option? It should be a continuous only, no? Because the graph is nowhere is getting lifted. Nowhere we have the gap. So at this place, sharp point, it is not differentiable. It is continuous but not differentiable. Next. Now, I'll go for the one more question here. Yes. Okay. Right. Now you see this one. Modulus function is always continuous. This is continuous. But what is the critical point? X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. And x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So continuous at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Sum of 2. See here, f of x and g of x are continuous. Then the first point, f of x plus g of x is continuous. Next, the second one, f of x into g of x is continuous. And third point, f of x into g of minus g of x is continuous. And fourth one, f of x by g of x continuous, but g of x is not equal to 0. Right? Right, children? Next. Is clear, all of you? Is clear, no? Right, everyone has given the C. Chemistry, you got the D option, no? Check it there. Hema, check it, no? Okay, C is given again, huh? Right, good. Okay. Right? Continuous and not differentiable, continuous at x equal to 1 and x equal to not differentiable at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. That option is not there. Only the C is the right option. Next. I want to do this problem. It's a different question. Right. Now I have to calculate the f of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 1 whole cube by sine x by 4 log of 1 plus x square by 3. Right? Now here you can apply the 0 by 0 comma. L'Hopital rule you can apply there. But when you apply the L'Hopital rule, it is very complicated. Very complicated. And the L'Hopital rule is sometimes it is very friendly user, sometimes it is also enemy. Like a friction. In physics, you have friction, no? Friction sometimes is very friendly, sometimes enemy. Here also L'Hopital rule also like that only, but you can try, you will get into that formula. But I am going for the standard limits concept. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by a power px minus 1 by x is p log a base e. Limit x tends to 0, sine px by x is p, and limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus px by x, it is p. Right? Now I'll bring it to the form here. So limit x tends to 0, I'll write in standard form 4 power x minus 1 by x whole cube. I have written x cube extra. So that x cube I will write here. Sine px by x and log of 1 plus 1 by 3 x square by x square. Now x is there, but here x square I have taken. X into x square, x cube, that will get cancelled. Numerator is log 4 base e whole cube. Denominator 1 by 4 into here 1 by 3. So your answer is 12 into log 4 base e whole cube. Is clear? Is clear all of you? Right, children? Next. Is clear all of you this question? Bhagyashree, check it. No, it's not H1, sir. Yeah. Next one. Now I'll take the one more question. Yes. 55, 57. These questions you can try now. Right, children? You can try for this one more. Limit if f of x equal to log x by x minus 1, log x by x minus 1 is continuous at x equal to 1, then the value of k. So you are getting the 0 by 0. Apply L'Hopital rule. So that is k equal to log x derivative is 1 by x. X derivative is 1 and x tends to 1. That equal to 1. So B is the right option. And next 56. 56. F of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0. Sine 3x by e power 2x minus 1. Again, I am getting the 0 by 0. You can apply the L'Hopital rule. So sine 3x derivative is 3 cos 3x by e power 2x is 2 into e power 2x is, so 0 by 0 you will get as 3 by 2. Right? So first option is the right option. Then 57. 57 I'll do here. 57. Limit f of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos ax by 1 minus cos kx by x sin x2. I am getting the 0 by 0 form, right? So apply the L'Hopital rule, L'Hospital rule, and 1 by 2 equal to, or you can apply 1 minus kx, or you can apply our standard limit also. I'll go for the standard limit, or you can apply your wish. 1 minus cos kx by x square into sin x by x one. Same I'm getting. So 1 by 2 equal to k square by 2 into 1 by 1. So that equal 2 will get cancelled. So 1 equal to k square, k equal to what? Plus or minus 1. So your option is that D is the right option. Right, children? Any doubts are there in this one? Any doubts? Raise the hand. Option D is Nagapriya is correct. Any doubts we have? Any doubts? Right? Pradham? Any doubts are there? Right, no doubts. Nagapriya, Sanjana, is it clear all of you? The concept? Sanjana, which question you are asking, ma? Sir, do not do it in another method also. Which one, ma? L'Hospital rule you want it? Right. So L'Hospital rule also you can do, ma. Derivative of cos kx. I will do here another row. We have space anywhere? No space, no. Right? So you can do the L'Hospital rule. K sine kx by x into cos x plus sin x plus that all. Again we are getting the 0 by 0. So once again k square cos kx by minus x sin x plus cos x plus cos x. So x tends to 0 means what? K square by 2. Left side is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So k equal to what you are getting? Plus or minus 1. Is it clear now this one? Sanjana, is clear? Sanjana? Right. Yes, ma'am. Good. Good response from you people. Okay, now Elias sir. Elias sir.
Sir, Mallikarjun sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Another 1 minute. Shall we go for break, sir? No? Break.
Yeah. Now 5:50, no? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Anything? Anything?
Okay, sir. Okay. Dear students, we'll go break. 15 minutes break.
Exact. And next class we have differentiation. Very good shortcuts you will get. Don't miss the class.
Okay, sir. 6-5 class will again start. You take 15 minutes break. 6-5 means not exact 6-5, 6-3 or 6-2. 6-5 ಅಥವಾ 6-2 ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Please log in at 6-3 or 6-2. Okay na makla? Thank you.
Welcome to the School of Engineering at Dayanand Sagar University, Main Campus, Harohaldi, Kanakpura Road, Bangalore. A place that values research, innovation and creativity. Our industry-aligned curriculum offers a blend of theoretical knowledge, practical experience, academic projects and internships for a rewarding career in engineering. With an interdisciplinary approach, you can explore your interests by selecting open electives. The on-campus innovation labs, led by professors of practice, provide immersive learning and expertise to find the best solutions to real industry problems and give a different dimension to the students' mini and major academic projects. Our Center for Entrepreneurship supports startup opportunities and provides a perfect platform to launch your next big idea into successful ventures. We also prepare you for advanced studies in the latest futuristic technologies. Our BTech programs offer the perfect combination of academic rigor and functional experience in this ever-evolving technological landscape of the future. Experience a whole new world of academic excellence in a global environment. Daya University. Live the dream.
Dear students, very good evening. You can see the screen. The ad which we kept in our website is known as DSAT, Dayanand Sagar Admission Test 2023. Our Dayanand Sagar scholarship test, it is a pan-India test. The test date is April 29 and 30. You can register upon this by clicking upon this in our website. Website is very clear, dsu.edu.in. If you type and you can register here, application is 1000 rupees, okay, and exam mode will be two based board. One mode is home based mode. You can sit at home in online, you can appear the exam, and one more is center based. You can come to our innovative campus Kudlugate and you can attend the exam. The exam paper, like as it is like it is how the CET on Comet K questions will be there, same kind of questions will be there, okay. And this exam date, this April, coming April 29 and 30. What is advantage of DSAT? DSAT, by writing DSAT, you will be getting admission in Dayanand Sagar University. That is one major important thing. If you are coming without exam and seat is not available in your hand, the option will be there by writing DSAT. Okay, like Comet K and DSAT. Comet K, what is the difference between Comet K and DSAT is, Comet K is you will be having only 20% seat in our campus, but DSAT we have almost all 60 to 70% seat will be available, and Comet K competition overall will be there, and DSAT also overall India we are conducting, but their intake is 20% and here we are conducting 60 to 70%. So you can keep in the hand one option. People will tell to write, if we tell to write DSAT, they will tell we have a written Comet K, but difference is in Comet K the intake will be just 20% and here it will be almost 60 to 70%. You can crack and you can keep in a hand, and compared to management you have the fees a little bit higher. By writing DSAT your fees will be less, that is one thing. And by writing DSAT, the practice of the paper, your other competitive exam like Unigauge, Comet K, CET, Karnataka CET, all the questions will be here repeatedly. Last papers will be there, so it will be like a practicing exam also. If you have any doubt in chat, we have mentioned my number and our helpline number, coordinators numbers are available. You can contact us, you can reach out at any time. Thank you, students. Mallikarjun sir, it's over to you. Time up.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Right, children. Now we'll go for the differentiation shortcuts under first. Now differentiation. The differentiation shortcut number 1. D by dx of a into f of x plus b by c into f of x plus d is AD minus BC by c into f of x plus d whole square into d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x, d by dx of a into f of x plus b by c into f of x plus d equal to AD minus BC by c into f of x plus d whole square into d by dx of f of x. Now, when you apply this rule, it is easy to memorize. It's not so difficult to remember this formula. And denominator, we have c into f of x plus d. Actually, the quotient rule concept. So the denominator will get as denominator whole square, c into f of x plus d whole square. Derivative of f of x we have to do. Next, we have to use this concept. What the concept means? A into d. AD minus BC concept. AD minus BC numerator. That is what we can go ahead with the, A, B, C, D. So AD minus BC. Right, AD minus BC. C into f of x plus d whole square, derivative of f of x. Right. So we can get it as like, the formula. So I will do the one problem, d by dx of 2 sin x plus 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 is equal to 4 sin x minus 1 whole square, denominator, derivative of sin x is cos x, then AD minus BC, that is 2 into minus 1 and 4 into 3. So that equal to, your answer is minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 cos x by 4 sin x minus 1 whole square. 4 sin x minus 1 whole square. Right? Now d by dx of 3x plus 1 by 2x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 4 whole square and AD minus BC minus 12 minus 2, derivative of x is 1 minus 14 2x minus 4 whole square. Right? Is clear this one? Shortcut number 1. Next, shortcut number 2. Shortcut number 2. And you can try this question, how to do this problem, d by dx of sin x to the power of x. Try this question, sin x power cos x. How many of you will get? Try this one. I'll give you 1 minute time for this one. Try sin x to the power of x. So what we have to do, general method. Most of the people, you know the method of doing. Anybody else who got the answer? Sin x to the power of x. What to do your answer? Anybody else? Aditya. Yes. X power x sin x. No, by taking log s. Right? Right? It's wrong. So I'll explain the method of doing this one. Your answer is directly, I'll write it. Here it is sin x to the power of x into x by sin x into cos x plus log sin x. This is your answer. Right? See how I have written the directly answer for this one. Now I will explain the shortcut. D by dx of f of x to the power of g of x is equal to f of x to the power of g of x into g of x by f of x into f dash of x plus g dash of x log of f of x. Right? Now to do such type of questions, how to memorize this result? It's not so complicated. It's very easy to memorize. Now, f of x to the power of g of x is equal to whatever the question is given, same thing you write f of x to the power of g of x. Start the bracket, then write the reverse one. G of x by f of x, g of x by f of x into the derivative of f of x is f dash of x plus first function derivative is f dash of x, second function derivative is g dash of x. All these problems you will get in terms of log only answer. Right? So what we need to write, f of x to the power of g of x into g of x by f of x into f dash of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. Right? Now, I'll take one more problem, dy dx of x power x. How to do this one? X power x, x by x, derivative of x is 1 plus x into x derivative is what? 1. X derivative is 1 log x. That's all your answer. So I can write further x power x into 1 plus log x base c. Correct? Now you try this question, dy dx of x power cos x, x power cos x, x power cos x. So x power cos x is x power cos x into cos x by x, derivative of x is 1 plus cos x derivative is minus sin x log x. See, one step answer we can write. Right? Any question you can try in this way, x power tan inverse x. So what is the x power tan inverse x? X power tan inverse x by tan inverse x by x. X derivative is 1. 1 by 1 plus x square log x over. Right, children? Understood? Second shortcut. All of you? Yes. Mohan is correct. Aditya, log of cot x, log of sine. No more. This is wrong there. And Hemashri is correct. Close to this. And Yogesh, x cot x plus log of sine x. Correct one. Now, shortcut number 3. Shortcut number 3. Right. Shortcut number 3 is x square plus 3xy plus y square minus 2x minus 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. How to differentiate this one? How to differentiate? You know how to differentiate this one. So I'll explain general method first. 2x 3 into x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus 2y into dy by dx minus 3 minus 4 into dy by dx equal to 0. Right? Now take dy by x common. Right? So that is 3x plus 2y minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus 3y plus 3. So dy by dx equal to minus, you take common, 2x plus 3y minus 3 by 3x plus 2y minus 4. Now this is the answer, correct? All of you, is it correct? Yes, yes, Bhagyashree, Aditya is correct, correct, correct. Then, now we will go for our shortcut. What is our shortcut means? Dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to our formula is dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy. That means minus fx means what? Differentiate only x. Denominator differentiate only y. Differentiate only x, differentiate only y. Means holding y as constant. Y as constant. Right? And holding x as constant. Right? Minus fx by fy equal to minus differentiate only x by differentiate only y. Okay, so now I will do the question, right? How to differentiate. Now comes to this one. Now I am applying the direct one-step answer you will get for us. Dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy. Fx by fy equal minus. Now wherever x is there, first I have to differentiate x. So that equal to in the numerator. What is the x square derivative? 2x. What is the x derivative in the second term? 1. What is the x derivative in minus 3x? Here y square I cannot take because there is no x here. Next to minus 3x is there, minus 3. Correct? I can close. Right? Comes to the denominator. Now with respect to y, where and all we have y? Here y we have, here is there, here is there. So y derivative is what? 1. Don't write dy by dx now. Only write 1. Then y square derivative 2y. Minus 4y derivative minus 4. You check the answer now. What we got it here? Same thing and then same thing. Correct? Is clear this one? Shortcut? Children? Is it clear? Drop the message. So one more question I will take. Next question. You can also try x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. You bring everything one side. You have to bring it everything one side. Equal to 0. Right? So dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy minus what is the fx verb? What is the fx derivative? What is the fx derivative here? X cube, that is 3x square. And what is the derivative of this one more? 3x square minus 3a minus 3, only x I need to differentiate. Other things I should not concentrate only. X cube, that is 3x square minus 3ay by denominator y cube derivative is what? 3y square. Now only I have to differentiate y. Right? Y I have to differentiate. Now 3y square minus 3ax. That's all. Take 3 common and you will get x square minus ay by y square minus ax. Very good question on this one. To view shortcut number 3. Is it clear, all of you? Right. Now I'll take one question here. Here one question is there. I will take that question. Right. Now, right. Sine of x plus y equal to log of x plus y, then dy by dx equal to. Sine of x plus y equal to log of x plus y, then dy by dx equal to what? Now, you bring it one side. Sine of x plus y minus log of x plus y. It's a composite function. In both the terms, we have x and y. Derivative of sine is cos of x plus y. Derivative of log is 1 by x plus y. And x derivative is 1, y derivative is 0. By, again, we have with respect to y also, we have composite function cos of x plus y minus 1 by x plus y equal to minus 1. So your option is D is the right option. Right? So here we have same, so that will get cancelled. Next question. Now, 29th one, y equal to x into cos y plus y cos x, then dy by dx equal to what? Right? So again, you can bring it to the form, standard form, x cos y plus y cos x minus y equal to 0. Dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy. Only differentiate in this composite functions, only x we need to differentiate where we have x. Correct? Now, this equal to minus fx is cos y minus y sin y. So denominator minus x sin y minus the plus y cos x. Y derivative is what? 1. Correct? Y derivative is what? 1. So cos x. Right? Derivative of y is what? Minus 1. Now check this one. Do we have any option here? Denominator 1 plus is there, but here we have minus 1. This minus I will send denominator. Right? So I can get cos y minus y sin y equal to x sin y minus cos x plus 1 x sin y. So your answer is cos y minus y sin x by 1 plus sin y 1 plus x sin y. So third option is the right option. Correct? Right? Next. Now I'll go for the shortcut number 4. Shortcut number 4. It is if x square y cube equal to x plus y whole power 5, then dy by dx equal to what? Can you try from your end? X square into y cube equal to x plus y whole power 5. Then dy by dx equal to what? Then dy by dx equal to what? How to differentiate? Anybody else? You can try. Anybody else? Anybody else know? Chemistry. Minus y sin x. Where it is minus y sin x? Because cos y derivative is minus sin y, no? Hema. Minus sin y. Cos y derivative is what? Minus sin y. Correct? Hema. Yes. It is minus y sin x. Numerator is y sin x. Why y sin x? Here it is sin x is there, no? Here. Y cos x. Cos x when you are differentiating, yes, yes. You are right, you are right, you are right. With respect to x, na? Y cos x, yeah, this is x. Sorry. Yeah. Right, thank you. Y sin x. Good. Now what we have to do this one? This answer is shortcut I am doing x power m into y power n equal to x plus y whole power m plus n. Then dy by dx equal to, then dy by dx equal to what? So dy by dx equal to y by x. For any type of problem, this is y by x. Right? So this is the first question. I'll give the one more question. Root x plus root x into root y. Root x into root y equal to x plus y. Then it is dy by dx equal to what? Y by x. Same. Now this is x power 1 by 2, y power 1 by 2 equal to x plus y whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 1. Correct? So third one, cube root of x plus cube root of y into square root of y equal to x plus y whole power 5 by 6. Then dy by dx equal to y by x. Check it, you'll get the same answer for this one. Okay, it's clear. Shortcut number 4. Shortcut number 4 is clear. Right. Now I'll go for the shortcut number 5. Right. Shortcut number 5 says y equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x plus so on up to infinity. What is your answer for this one? Y equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x plus so on infinity. Right? What is your answer? Anybody else? Anybody else? Sneha, Emma, Mohan, Pratik, Anonymous, Yogesh, Aditya, Likit, Bhagya, Aditya, Vinod, Sneha, Speed Up Mo, Sanjana, Nagapriya, Sri, DP. Right, I'll explain. Before doing this problem, I want to explain one important point. I'll take one example and I will explain. Take example ocean. Ocean means you know the meaning of the ocean. In the ocean, if you take drop of the water, can you see the level of water is decreased? If you take the drop of the water in the ocean, can you see the any drop of the water? No. Decreasing the level? No. Right. Liquid has given correct answer cos x by 2y minus 1. Right. Suppose if you put a drop of a water in the ocean, can you see any increase in the level of water? Can you see the increase in the level of water go? No. Yes. True. So now what I will do is, whatever I am getting, so this part I'll remove this one. Right? So when I remove this part, that root of sin x, so no change I'll get it. No change I'll get. So this thing again we'll get as what? Y. Therefore, y equal to root of sin x plus y. Then y square minus y sin x. Y square minus y minus sin x equal to 0. Then I can differentiate now. So dy by dx equal to, we know the formula, minus fx by fy is minus fx is what? Minus cos x by 2y minus 1, that equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. Right now, here I will tell you the shortcut is y equal to root of f of x plus root of f of x plus root of f of x plus so on up to infinity. Then dy by dx equal to f dash of x by 2y minus 1. F dash of x by 2y minus 1. So what is your answer now? Here we can get, so here f of x is nothing but sin x. Your answer is sin x derivative is what? Cos x. So cos x by 2y minus 1. Very, very important. Right? I'll take one more problem similar to this one. Right? Similar to this question, I will take 1 by root of this part. Okay. Yes. Now, what is this question? 79, can guess. Y equal to root of x plus so on infinity, then dy by dx. X derivative is, denominator is what? 2y minus 1, x derivative is 1. So what is your option now? D is the right option. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, D. Oh, most of them they give correct answer. Right. Good people. Sneha, Ema, Mohan, keep it up, mom. Pradeep, Bhagyashree, Aditya, good. Right. Next question. Now, this is the one shortcut, and this is a series type questions. Now we have another series. Type 1 series we have seen. Now we are going for another type of series. Y equal to root x so on infinity. You cannot do that way. Try to understand. You cannot do that method. What we can do is y equal to x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 4, x power 1 by 8, so on up to infinity. So y equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on up to infinity. This is what geometric progression. So geometric progression S infinity we have formula equal to A by 1 minus R formula. S infinity equal to what? A by 1 minus R. So very important. A is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. 1 minus R is also 1 by 2. This is GP. Geometric progression. It is 1. Therefore, y equal to x. So dy by dx equal to 1. Right, children? Understood this concept? Next, third type of questions. Y equal to e power x. E power x. E power x, so on up to infinity. So y equal to e power x whole power y. Then y equal to e power xy and then proceed. Right? Like this we can do the infinite problems. Okay, next. Now we have lost one more. We have important model concept is differentiate f of x with respect to g of x. Differentiate f of x with respect to g of x is f dash of x by g dash of x. F dash of x by g dash of x. Now differentiate sin x with respect to tan x. Is sin x derivative is cos x, tan x derivative is secant square x. Tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x. Right? So like this we can differentiate. Right? Now we'll take some questions, previous year's questions, and very important model questions we have. Right. So right. If 2 power x plus 2 power y equal to 2 power x plus y, then dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to what? Right. Now, anybody else who can try and give the answer? Anybody else who can try and give? Bhagyashree, Nagapriya, Bhumika, Vidya, Hemashri, sir, we can do another method. Another method means only for this method only is correct. Hema, are you finding any difficult this method? Hema, drop a message. No, sir. Good. Right. So what we can do is 2 power x plus 2 power y equal to 2 power x into 2 power y. Divide 2 power x into 2 power y. I'll bring it to the simplest form, then we differentiate. 2 power x by 2 power y, 2 power x plus 2 power y by 2 power x into 2 power y equal to 1. Therefore, 2 power x will get cancelled, 2 power minus y, 2 power y will get cancelled, 2 power minus x, 1. So dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy concept we can apply. Then minus f of x is 2 power minus x into log 2 base c minus 1 by 2 power minus y log 2 base c minus 1. So that equal to minus 2 to the power of y minus x. So your answer is second option is the right option. Correct? So right, B is Nagapriya has given the B option. Right, good. Okay, this is the what very important model question. And the next 86. Right. Now check it this one. If f of x equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, then f dash of root 3. F dash of root 3. So when we get f dash of root 3, f of x equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, then f dash of root 3. Now in this question, whenever we get inverse trigonometric function, don't differentiate directly. Don't differentiate directly. So what we need to do is, first you search for formula, search for any further simplification, search for any substitution can be done. Like that we have to do. Any inverse trigonometric functions, what we need to do, first search for any formula we have, or further simplification possible or not, you say, or substitution method is possible or not. One after the other, you have to try and let me know. So here I can write, instead of directly differentiating, we can go for f of x equal to what is the sine inverse of 2x, that is 2 tan inverse x. Correct? 2 tan inverse x. Right. Now you differentiate easily, you will get as 2 by 1 plus x square. So put x equal to root 3. Therefore, f dash of root 3 is equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. This is the way you have to do the any inverse trigonometric function. First, don't do directly. If there is no option only, then we have to go for direct differentiation. You are not getting any further simplification, you are not getting any formula. At that time, you need to go for direct differentiation. Okay, now. So that's one question. And next. See, 6 questions they are asking for the, in the differentiation concept. X into e power x e whole power y equal to e power x, then divided by dx. So we have further is right. Now, when you go for this one, first answer is given in terms of x except last one. Correct? Except last one. So what we need to do is, first you take the log on both the sides, get x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Better we go for y in terms of x. Then, so take log of x e whole power y basis e equal to log e power x to the base e, that is y log x e basis e equal to x into log e base e. E base is what? 1. Y into log x base e log e base e equal to x. E base e is what? 1. Y into log x base e plus 1 equal to x. Therefore, y equal to x by 1 plus log x base e. Now you differentiate dy by dx equal to 1 plus log x base e, derivative of x is 1 minus x derivative is 1 by x, x into 1 by x by 1 plus log x base e whole square. 1 will get cancelled because here x will get cancelled, 1 will get it. Therefore, I can write as log x base e by 1 plus log x base e whole square. Right? So your option is C, sorry. Option A is correct. Right? Right, children? Yes or no? How many they gave the answer? A is correct, Mohan. Nagapriya is given correct. Likit Gowda, 1/2. Why you got 1/2 go? Oh, previous problem, huh? Right. Vidya is given A, right? Most of them they gave the A is correct. Good. Right. So one of the important model question. Next. Can you try for this question? Right. Y equal to 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n, then x square into d square y by dx square equal to what? Right. Now, can you try this one question? Now, directly you can differentiate. So, dy by dx equal to 2 into n plus 1 x power n plus 1 minus 1. That is 1. Next, d by dx of 1 by x power n. Formula is minus n by x power n plus. This is the formula. For 3 by x power n is minus 3 n by x power n plus 1. Now once again you differentiate d square y by dx square equal to 2n into n plus 1 x power n minus 1 plus 3n into n plus 1 by x power n plus 2. X power n plus 2. Right? Now multiply with x square, then x square into d square y by dx square equal to 2n into n plus 1 x power n plus 1 plus 3n into n plus 1, so that x square will get cancelled, x power n. So I can take common n into n plus 1 is 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n is nothing but n into n plus 1 into y. This is a lengthy problem. We cannot help anything. So n into n plus 1 into y. There are some questions you can do, right? But you should be very smart enough to get the answer. That is very important. Okay. Anybody has given the answer? Check it. Yes. Nagapriya has given answer, and Nagapriya B. Chemistry is also given B. Right? And sir, your voice is breaking. Is it true? Hema, Nagapriya, Pratik, Bhagyasri, Aditya. My voice is breaking? No. No. Yeah, check it, ma. Anonymous. So others, they're fine. You check it. Right. Next. 89th question. Right. So we'll go for this one. If A and B are non-zero constants, then the derivative of is, now I have to go for this one. The derivative of this part is equal to, what is the derivative of this one? I gave already 1 by x power n formula. So d by dx of 1 by x power n is what? Minus n by x power n plus 1. Now I'll go for here. A by x power 4 is what? Minus 4 by x power 5 into A plus 2 by x cube B minus sin x is equal to MA NB minus P. Right? So what is the M? Equal to minus 4 by x power 5 and N equal to what? N equal to 2 by x cube and P equal to sin x. So which is the right option? So second option is the right option. Right? See, this is the simple question they asked. Very simple. Next. We'll check for this one at x equal to 1. Right? Yes. So at x equal to 1, I'll check f of x equal to x cube minus 1, f dash of x is 3x square minus 1, f dash of 1 minus equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. And at x equal to what Hema has given an answer, we'll check it for this one. B, Pratik has given, Vidya is given, SSR is given, everyone is given B. Bhumika, no, is said. Okay, your voice is right. Now, at the same point, we are going for what? 1 plus 1. So, f of x equal to minus 1, x minus 1, f dash of x equal to 1, f dash of 1 minus 1 plus is equal to 1. We got both are finite. Both are not equal. F dash of 1 plus is not equal to f dash of 1 minus. Right? So not differentiable but continuous. Not differentiable but continuous. No. Continuous and not differentiable. Yes. Second option is the right option. Everyone has given the second option. It's good. Good development from you people. Bhumika, Mohan, Bhagyasri, right? Hemastri, Nagapriya, Aditya. Yes. Right. Next. This question I think everyone can get. I'll wait for the what answer you can get from here. Right. Try this one now. Try this question. Y equal to cos of x square whole square, then dy by dx is equal to. Right? Y equal to cos of x square whole square, then dy by dx equal to. So what is your option now? We can write dy by dx equal to 2 into cos of x square whole square into cos derivatives minus sin of x square into 2x into 2x. Therefore, minus 2x into 2 sin of x square cos of x square. Sin 2a formula. It is sin 2x square minus 2x into sin of 2x square is third option. 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. Right, children? So this is the formula which we have. Right. Next. Is a direct question? Yes. 92nd. Very easy to score, no? Differentiation. Little practice is required. Okay. right? For constant a, d by dx of x power x plus x power a plus a power x plus a power a is what? Now, what is the x power x derivative? Already we have done. X power x is x power x into 1 plus log x base e. X power n formula. A into x power a minus 1. X power n. A power x derivative. A power x into log a base e. A power a. No x is there. 0. So, which is the right option? Second option is the right option. Right, children? X power x into 1 plus log x base e plus a into x power a minus 1 plus a power x into log a base e. Right? Next. Now, I'll go for the next. Yes. Now, if y equal to log x to the base 10 plus log x base e, then dy by dx equal to this one is correct or wrong? If they're asking. Right? So, what we can do is, the formula for this one is dy by dx of log x base e is 1 by x. We know this formula. Correct? 1 by x. What is the formula of dy by dx of log x base a? Who can give the answer for the log x base a above? Drop the message. Anybody knows the formula? Log x base a. Log x base a. Log x base a. Anybody else have the idea? Right. 1 by x log a base e or log e base a by x. By x. Right? So, you will get it as dy by dx of log x base e equal to 1 by x. And the second one is dy by dx of log x to the base a equal to 1 by x log a base e. Log e base e, you can write this way or you can write this way. Now the question is y equal to log x to the base 10 plus log x to the base e. Dy by dx equal to 1 by x log 10 base e 1 by x. So this is not there. Again, I will write into that form. Log another form e base 10 base x plus 1 by x. Yes, it is given true. Right? Comes to the second one. This is statement number 1. Now statement number 2. Dy by dx of log x base 10 equal to 1 by x log 10 base e. But he has given wrong. Log x base e, this is also wrong. It is false. Right? So statement 1 is true, second one is false. First option is the right option. Right, children? So anybody has given a to the power of x by a to the power of x by log a. Which one, mom? Which question by this one? Harsha? For which one you have given? Pratik, log x by log a. It's wrong, ma. 1 by Rishabh is given correct. Rishabh Singh. 1 by x log a. Correct, ma. Rishabh Singh is given correct formula. Okay. right? So 93. Okay. So that is okay. Right. You should be very good at formulae. Daily read the formulae, no? And still you have almost 28 days are there. Read daily formula. You'll be getting during the exam. You can connect very fast formulas because most of the questions are based on the formulae, right? Now, how to proceed on this question? Anybody else? Anybody else? Y equal to x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 5. Then dy by dx equal to. At x equal 4 is equal to. How to proceed, bro? Option A is correct. Nagapriya. What is that, sir? What is the last year's rank list? Okay, we'll provide you next month rank, last year ranks. Okay, the Hema. Right? I'll speak to the Ilyas sir and then Mr. Ravi Verma sir and Manoj sir. They will approach you. Okay, they will put it in the group. Okay, okay. Right. So x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 5, then divide by x at x equal 4 is equal to. Right? So I'll take U, V, W formula. So first I'll differentiate this one. Y1. So dy by dx equal to 2 into x minus 1. Remaining are as it is. UVW formula plus. Then second one you differentiate x minus 1 whole square. Second one I am differentiating 3 into x minus 2 whole square, x minus 3 whole power 5 plus. Third one you differentiate now x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole cube and 5 into x minus 3 whole power 4. Right? Now put x equal to 4. So that equal 2 into 3, 2, 8 into 1 plus 4 minus 1 whole square, 9, 3, 4, 1 plus 9, 8 and 5 into x minus 3 whole power 4. That is 1. How much you are getting? 2 into 3, 6 into 8, 48. So 9, 12, 12 into 9, 108 plus 9 into 8, 72 and 360. How much you are getting? 360, 48, 48, 156, 156 plus 360. What is the answer, bro? What is the answer? D. Correct, Nagapriya, Mohan, Yogesh. Apply log on both sides, Sneha. Yes, you can do log on both the sides also. So 516. Correct. So D is the right option. D is the right option. Next. Now 95. Y equal to 1 plus x square tan inverse x minus x, then divide by dx equal to what? So I can write dy by dx equal to, you can start off all of you to get the required answer, 1 plus x square. Product will uv then 1 plus x square, tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x minus 1. Right? 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, you will get 1. So 1 plus 2x into tan inverse x minus 1. So 1 will get cancelled. Then I can write, so 2x tan inverse x. Right? So this is the right answer, you will get it. Next. Then 96th question. Try on 96th. I'll give you 1 minute time. Try this question. Right? So x equal to e power theta sin theta, y equal to e power cos theta. Where theta is a parameter, then divide by dx at 1, 1 is equal to what? What answer you got it? Anybody else? You can drop a message. Anybody else who got the answer? Bhagyashree has given which answer? Okay, previous answers you are given. Good, correct. Sneha, Bhagyashree, Pratik, Nagashree. Right. Try this question. So first, divide by x at 1, 1 they gave. First, I'll calculate x by y equal to e power theta will get cancelled. No? Sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by 1 equal to tan theta. Theta equal to pi by 4. Keep it as it is. Right? So e power theta will get cancelled. No? Right? This will get cancelled. Only tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, you will get it. Right? Next. Now, dy by dx equal to, parametric differentiation, dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta equal to e power theta sin theta plus e power theta, derivative is e power theta cos theta by dx by d theta is e power theta cos theta, then plus sin theta equal to, put theta equal to pi by 4, e power theta I can take common, minus sin theta plus cos theta by e power theta cos theta plus sin theta. E power theta will get cancelled and put theta equal to pi by 4, 45 degrees. Sin 45 how much? 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. You will get 0. So first option is the right option. Correct? So some people they gave that. Oh, only Pratik and then Rishabh Singh has given the answer 0 and first option. Okay, good. Next. Is clear all of you this question? Is a parametric form. It's a very good question. Right. Next. 97. Try on this question. Who can do? Very good question. Already similar type of question I have explained. You can try this question. Y equal to e power root of x, so on, x greater than 1, d square y by dx square at x equal to log of 3 base E. Very good question, ma'am. Very good question. Anybody else who got the answer? Anybody else, you can drop the message. Pratik, but third option is given. Pratik, but has given third option. 3 is the answer. Huh? Okay, right. Anybody else? Anybody else? Yogesh, first option. Arsha, first option. Sunaina, first option. Yes, yes. Everyone got the Sunaina. Third option they give. Why more Sunaina? So first option is the right option. We'll check for this one. Y equal to, already we have done this question. E power x. This already we have done this series. So root of x, root of x, root of x1 up to infinity. This this value is x. Already we have done. Right? So log 3 base e equal to x. Remove the log, e power x equal to 3. Right? So dy by dx equal to e power x. Even second derivative is also what? E power x, that equal to how much more? 3. First option is the right option. Correct. First option is the right option. Next. Now, question number 98. Right. If f of 1 equal to 1, f dash of 1 equal to 3, then the derivative of f of x plus f of x whole square at x equal to 1. Very good question. Very good question. Can try. The derivative of d by dx of f of x plus f of x whole square. Right? Now, 3 functions are there. It's a compound function. First f dash, f of x into f dash of x, f dash of f of x into f dash of x plus 2 into f of x into f dash of x. So put x equal to 1 is f dash of f of 1 into f dash of f of 1, right? F of 1. Next, f dash of 1 plus 2 into f of 1, f dash of 1. So f dash of f of 1 is how much? 1 into f dash of f of 1. F dash of f of 1 is 1. F dash of 1, 3. 2 into f of 1 is f of 1 is 1. F dash of 1, 3. Again, f dash of f of 1 is 1. F dash of 1, 3, 3 plus 6. Again, f dash of 1 is what? 3 into 3 into 3 plus 6. That equal to 33. So, C is the right option. So, it's a very good question. Yeah. Sunaina is given, Pratik is given, Rishabh is given, Vidya is given, right? Sunaina, Yogesh, right? Very good. Next, very good question. Answer this one. Next. This question, at x equal to pi by 2, right? This is the question, but here there is a small mistake is there. This should be, yes, this is like this question, typing mistake. Y equal to x power sin x plus sin x to the power of x, then dy by dx at x equal to 90 degrees now. Dy by dx at x equal to 90 degrees. You know how to differentiate. No? Just now we have done the shortcut. If those are good at shortcuts, this problem is nothing in front of them. So f of x to the power of g of x by f of x, then x derivative is 1 plus sin x derivative is cos x log x plus then sin x to the power of x into x by sin x into sin x derivative is cos x plus x derivative is 1 log cos x. Sorry, log sin x. Log sin x. See how simple we have written this one. Otherwise, you have to go for u plus v and that formula to get the right answer. Correct, na? So that takes more time. So that is the advantage of attending these classes. You will learn more shortcuts. See, for every problem, we cannot apply, shortcuts and all. But there are some particular questions where we have standard questions, right? Logical thinking and techniques you will learn attending for these classes, right? Be regular to the classes. Don't miss our classes. Okay, na? So put x equal to pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Pi by 2 whole power 1. Sin 90 is 1. And 1 by pi by 2. X value. Cos 90 is 0. Sin x to the power of x. 1 power 1. 1 power anything is 1. No? Pi by 2 it's 1. Cos 90 is 0. Then log of sin x, log 90 is, sin 90 is 1. Sin log 1 is 0. Right? So pi by 2 into 2 by pi is equal to 1. So second option is right. See, so complicated problem we have done in the simplest way. Right? Right. Next question. It is also one of the good question. A little lengthy. What to do? Right. E power y plus xy equal to E, the ordered pair dy by dx, comma d square y by dx square at x equal to 0 is equal to what? Right? Now what I can do is this question. E power y plus xy equal to E, the ordered pair dy by dx you want it. So I'll go for the, normal differentiation. E power y dy by dx. First I'll go for the, y value also, x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0. E power 0. At x equal to 0, e power y plus 0 equal to E. So e power y equal to E. So y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Then I can go ahead with this one. The ordered pair dy by dx, d square y by dx square at x equal to 0. Next, e power y differentiate plus x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1. E derivative is 0. So put x equal to 0, y equal to 1. e into dy by dx, and this is 0, y value is 1 equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to minus 1 by e, right? So first option is ruled out, second option is ruled out. Then comes to our option, maybe third option and fourth option. Then I can go ahead with this, e power y plus x into dy by dx equal to minus y. Differentiate d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into e power y into dy by dx plus 1 equal to minus dy by dx. Now I'll go for the put x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So e power 1 plus 0 d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is minus 1 by e, and e minus 1 by e plus 1 minus 1 by e, right? So this you will get cancelled. You will get this part is 0. Then the whole term will get 0. E into d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 by e, d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 by e square. So your option will be the C is the right option. It's a lengthy question, but in 2022 they have given the same 6 questions. They have given the wrong and lengthy they have given. Okay, right. So is it clear, all of you, this question? All of you, can you drop a message? Sir, how we will get this much long answer in 1 minute? That is what I told you now, Sakshi. And sometimes what will happen? So every question we cannot do less than 1 minute. There are some questions we'll do the less than 1 minute. There are some questions we'll go for what? That time where you got less than 1 minute, that time we have to spend for such type of questions, if you know. Okay, na, Sakshi? It's not like for you only. Everyone will have the same only. Okay, da, Sakshi? Is clear? Yes. Right, I'll give you some questions. Right. Now, you try this question. Question number 80. I'll give you 1 minute time. Less than 1 minute, you can try. Yeah, try this question. Less than 1 minute, you'll get time. This one. Less than 1 minute. Drop the message immediately once you get the answer. Check it. Got the answer? Drop the message more. D option, D option, D option, A, B, A, D, Y by X correct, Y by X correct, Y by X correct. x plus y. Wrong answer. Y by x is correct. D is the right option. Yes. D is the right option. Correct. Right. So y by x, why it is like that? I gave already shortcut. 1 by 3 x power 1 by 2 x plus y whole power 5 by 6. Right. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is gives what? 5 by 6 more. Y by x. Now Bhumika, this Sakshi, how much time we took this time to do this problem? Sakshi, you have given that B option, x plus y. No, y by x. Sakshi, how much time we took this one? Very less time. Even you can calculate orally only. Correct? Drop the message, Sakshi. Right, next. Now, next question, I will explain this part. It's also a very good question. Tan inverse of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Yeah, Sakshi, less than 30 seconds. Good. Tan inverse of x square plus y square equal to alpha, then divide by dx. Now, take tan the other side. X square plus y square equal to tan alpha. Right? Then divide by dx equal to, we know the formula, minus fx by fy is minus 2x by 2y equal to minus x by y. That's it. So first option is the right option. Next. Now you check this one more. Now y equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x. Now don't differentiate directly. First you should know how to bring it to the simplest form, then do it. Right? Then we can write this one as y equal to tan inverse of, this one is tan pi by 4 plus x formula. Tan inverse of tan will go off pi by 4 plus x. So divide by dx equal to what? 1. So D is the right option. Here I will write the formula. Tan pi by 4 plus x equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x equal to cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. Correct? So we got the D is the fourth option. Is it okay? Next, one more formula, tan pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is equal to cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. Right? Next. Now, can you guess what is this answer? Who can give the answer for this one? Sakshi can give, I think. Sakshi, can you give me this one answer? X power m, y power n equal to x plus y whole power m plus 1 divided by x power. Right, most of them they have given the D, right? Very good, very good, very good. Right. So fourth option is the right option. Next. 65, very powerful question and very easiest way to do this problem. Let me check how many people can do this problem. Y equal to e power sine inverse of t square minus 1 and x equal to e power secant inverse of 1 by t square minus 1, then divided by x equal to. Who can give the answer for this problem? Children, y equal to e power sine inverse of t square minus 1 and x equal to e power secant inverse of 1 by t square. Try and let me know what answer you people got it. C. Vidya. C na. Let me check. XY. No. Vidya, check it once again. Check for. Anybody else? B. Nagapriya. So B, what it? Aditya. Yes, B is the right option. Right. Whenever we get inverse, don't do directly. Try to simplify x into y equal to e power sine inverse of t square minus 1 plus secant inverse, I will write cos inverse of t square minus 1. We know the formula identity equal to e power pi by 2. Correct? Since sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to how much? Pi by 2. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So I can apply dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So second option is the right option. Right. So you should be very smart enough when it is inverse trigonometric functions comes. Right? Then you try this question now. Who can try this question? This is not g dash of x. I think it is g dash of 1. Not this one. Okay. What is the g dash of x for? Equal to x power 199, x power 198, x power 197, plus so on, x plus 1. So put x equal to 1 is g dash of 1 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on 1 plus 1. How many terms are there? 200 terms are there. 200. So second option is the right option. How many have given? B is right. B 200. Rishabh Singh, Aditya, Pratik. Correct one. Good. Right. Next question. This question is a very interesting question. Try this question. Y equal to e power 1 by 2 log of 1 plus tan square x to the base e, then divided by x equal to y equal to e power 1 by 2 log of 1 plus tan square x to the base e. How to proceed now? How to differentiate if there are three functions? So which are the three functions? I'll make you to differentiate how to three functions are there. So we'll try to simplify them. Harsha will try to simplify them. So y equal to e to the power of 1 by 2, I will take log of 1 plus tan square x to the power of 1 by 2 to the base e. We know the formula a power log x to the base a is x, e power log x to the base e is x. Right? So y equal to e to the power of that is 1 plus tan square x is what? Secant square x. I'll write secant square x whole power 1 by 2. So y equal to secant x. So dy by dx equal to secant x into tan x. Right, children? So this is the right option. And Harsha is clear. So C is the right option. Nagapriya, Bhagyasri, Aditya. Right? Yes. Okay. Now the next question. Like this, we'll see inverse trigonometric functions. Very important model, no? Right. Try this question, no? X equal to cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus t square and y equal to sin inverse of root of 1 plus t square. How to proceed? 0 na, 1 na, minus 1 na does not exist. Check it. Which is the right option? Right? Children? Anybody else who got the answer? Option B. One they gave, sir, one option B, sir, 1, C, Sneha, -1, Prateek. So I'm getting different ones. It's why we'll check like this. Okay. Now, x plus y equal to the sine inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus t square plus cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus t square. We know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to how much? 5 by 2. Correct? So x plus y equal to 5 by 2. Then the dy by dx equal to -1. So third option is the right option. Check it. Some of the people they have given the B and some of the people they gave 1, -1 like that. Okay, ma? Vidya, check it, ma. Nagapriya, check it. I think orally you have calculated. I think you didn't put on the paper, right? Correct? That's why you people got wrong answer. Otherwise, you would have got it correct. Rishabh and Nagapriya, correct? Yes or no? Yes. C, correct. Next. Now the question is here. Yes. Very, very powerful question on this one. It has power. Right? It has very powerful question. It is. Y equal to mod of cos x plus mod of sin x. Anybody else who can do and let me know what is the answer for this one? Y equal to mod of cos x plus mod of sin x, then divide by x at x equal to 2 pi by 3. Anybody else? Anybody else? No. Let me check who has got the answers. Pratik has got C, Rishabh has got C. Check it, bro. Nagapriya, the questions, sometimes what happen are without, see, sometimes, without our knowledge, we'll get, options are different, you may get. Okay, now put it on the paper and get it the right answer. Right? Okay, and CCB is given. Check what is the right option. No? Right, some people they give 0 also. We'll check it. Right here, we know that mod x equal to x when x is less than greater than 0, minus x when x is less than 0. Right? So keep this mind. Cos x is minus cos x, no? Because second quadrant, this is second quadrant. 2 pi by 3 is negative. Then mod of sin x is positive in the second quadrant. Correct? So sin x. Now I'll write it as y equal to minus cos x plus sin x. Divide by dx equal to minus sin x plus cos x. Right? At x equal to 2 pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Right? So derivative of cos x is, sorry, this is sin root 3 by 2. So root 3 minus 1 by 2. So your option is C. Your option is C. Right? Correct? C, some people they give the C answer. Yes. Yes. Yes, Rishabh, I have done correct only. Correct? Okay. Now next. Now 25th question. Yeah, tell me. Y equal to tan inverse of x whole square, then x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to what? Right? So I'll go for the normal differentiation only. This we don't have any shortcuts for this type of questions. How we have in textbook, the same method only we have to do. Okay, so because it's a second derivative functions, y equal tan inverse x whole square, then y1 equal to 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square into y1 equal to, whenever we got denominator, we have to differentiate, we have to cross multiply and differentiate once again. 1 plus x square into y1, again UV rule. 1 plus x square into y1 derivative is y2. Again y1 into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. And then 2 by 1 plus x square, cross multiply will get 1 plus x square into whole square, y2. and 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 equal to 2. Right? So 2x into 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square into y2. Your answer is the fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right? Next. Now I'll go for the question. We have, this is also a very good question. Try this question. Y equal to log of root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Then dy by dx equal to what? Then dy by dx equal to what? So we can write as y equal to log of tan x by 2 formula. Right? So dy by dx equal to 1 by tan x by 2 into secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, you get it. Then that is 1 by sin x, you will get as cosecant x. B is the right option. Alright, children. Next. Is clear this one question? Next. So I'll go for the next file. Right. Now, this is the textbook question. Anybody else who remember this question? How to proceed? Dy by dx, if sin y equal to x into cos of a plus y, then dy by dx at x equal to 0 is dy by dx equal to at x equal to 0 is right. So which way we can proceed for this one? Sin y equal to x into cos of a plus y, then dy by dx at x equal to 0 is. How to proceed? Anybody else? Anybody else go? Children, anybody else who can give the answer for this one? Bhagya, Rishabh, Sakshi. Anybody else who can get this one? Huh? Right. Now this question, at x equal to 0, dy by dx, first I'll eliminate the x. X equal to sin y by cos of a plus y. Differentiate with respect to y. This question only we have to do, differentiate with respect to y. Right? Dx by dy equal to cos of a plus y and then cos y minus sin y into, this is plus, sin of a plus y by cos square a plus y. So put x equal to 0. First you will do the put x equal to 0, get the y value also. Sin y equal to 0, even y also equal to 0 you will get. So here we have to put, this is 0, whole thing will become 0, right? So x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, all you put it. Then you will get cos a, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 0, then cos square a Oh, this is A. This is A. Right? Okay. Now check it once again. Put y equals 0. I got cos A. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. Whole thing is 0. Cos square A plus y. That equal to cos A by, that is 1 by cos A. It is nothing but secant A. Do we have the secant A in this one? So, sorry. I need to get the first dy by dx, right? I cannot substitute directly now. First, I'll go for what? Dx by dy. Okay, no problem. We'll get it as what? Cos A by cos square A. That equal to 1 by cos A. Then dy by dx is cos A. Right? Your option is B. Your option is B. Correct? This question we have done. Differentiate with respect to what? Y. Differentiate with respect to Y. Now the question is, right. It's also a very good question. No? Right. Now f of x equal to sin power mx by sin power nx whole power m plus n. Like this we have. Then f dash of x is equal to f dash of x equal to. Right? So how to proceed for such type of questions? First simplify this one. Sin power m minus 1 of x whole power m plus n into sin power n minus p of x whole power n plus p and sin power p minus m whole power p plus m is equal to sin x whole power m square minus n square. I can write sin x whole power n square minus p square, sin power whole power p square minus n square is sin x to the power of m square minus n square plus n square minus p square plus p square minus n square is sin x to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore, f dash of x will be 0. So, A is the right option. Correct? A is the right option. Right? B now. No. Achha, previous question you gave the answer. Right. Now, we can. This question you can try. Already we have done one similar question. Right. So y equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, x power 4. Then dy by dx at x equal to 1. How to proceed? Again, you can apply u, v, w. Then dy by dx equal to 1 into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 plus 1 plus x into 1 plus x square derivative is 2x into 1 plus x power 4 plus 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 4x cube. You can take log on both sides or you can do directly also. Put x equal to 1. Is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. So that equal to 4 and 8. 4, 4 into 8, 16. Is how much you are getting? 28. So A is the right option. No? A is the right option. And next, it is also one of the important model question. Try this question. Now, right? So this is the options. So I told you derivative of A sin theta with respect to this one. So formula is f dash of theta by g dash of theta. Yes, ma Nagapriya, you have any doubt? Nagapriya has raised the hand. Option A, cot theta. Yeah, people are very good there. Fast you are doing. So let me check for f dash of theta, A cos theta by A into minus sin theta 1 by tan theta by 2 secant square theta by 2 1 by 2. A will get cancelled now. Cos theta minus sin theta. This will get 1 by sin theta now. Check it. Then equal to cos theta into sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta. Then that equal to sin theta into cos theta by cos square theta. So that will get cancelled tan theta. Nagapriya, check it. Am I right, ma? Tan theta is correct, right? Nagapriya. Nagapriya. Yes. Yeah. Right. Very good. How was the class today? Children, drop a message, ma. How was the class today? Shortcuts, limits, continuity, and differentiation. So maximum, whatever I have shortcuts, we have discussed. Super. Pratik, thank you. Very good. Rishabh, very good. Very useful, sir. Very good. Right. Very useful. Right. Drop the message now. How the people. Could you please send the shortcuts as early as possible? Yes. Definitely. Thank you. Very useful. Right, children. So any other doubts, bro? So I'll meet again the next week as much as possible. Right? Yes, Mr. Ravi Varma.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Dear students, tomorrow we have physics class. Vinay sir is taking the class. Timing is 4 to 8, same timing. And your topic will be magnetism and matter semiconductor geometrical optics. What we left out on Thursday, same course will be on tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Please be ready for tomorrow class. Thank you all, and thank you so much, Mallikarjun sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for all the students. Be regular to the classes, attend and good. Get some techniques, shortcuts to get the good rank. All the best. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.